Namaste and hello everyone. I am Barsha, your Nepali language tutor. Today we will learn name of 7 days in Nepali. So let's begin with Sunday. In Nepal, the first working day is Sunday. That is Aitbar. Aitbar. Monday, Sombar. Sombar. Tuesday, Mangalbar. Mangalbar. Wednesday, Budhabar. Budhabar. Thursday, Bihibar. Bihibar. Friday, Good Friday. Happy day. Sukrabar. Sukrabar. Saturday, holiday. Sanibar. Sanibar. So, Saturday is holiday in Nepal. Let's begin from Sunday once again. Aitbar, Aitbar, Sombar, Sombar, Mangalbar, Mangalbar, Budhabar, Budhabar, Bihibar, Bihibar, Sukrabar, Sukrabar, Sanibar, Sanibar. So, bar is day in Nepali. Now, let's learn some vocabulary related with day from the day before yesterday. That is, asti, asti. Yesterday, hijo, hijo. Today, aja, aja. Tomorrow, poli, poli. The day after tomorrow, Parsi, Parsi. Now, let's learn how to make question in English. In English question or sentence, there is a structure of subject, verb and object, whereas in Nepali we follow the structure subject, object and verb at the end. Whether it is a question or a sentence, we always follow subject plus object plus verb format. So, let's begin to learn the question, that is, what day was yesterday, what day is today, or what day is tomorrow. What day is yesterday in Nepali is hijo ke bar थियो. Hijo ke bar थियो. In this question, hijo is yesterday, bar is day and थियो is was. So the past form of was in Nepali is थियो. Hijo ke bar थियो. And the answer is hijo bihibar थियो. Hijo bihibar थियो. Similarly, what day is today? Aja ke bar ho. Aja ke bar ho. And the answer is Aja Sukrabar ho. Aja Sukrabar ho. What day is tomorrow? Poli ke bar ho. Poli ke bar ho. And the answer is Poli Sanibar ho. Poli Sanibar ho. From today's lesson, you know that we have already entered in the sentence formation section. So, sentence formation section is a little bit trickier, a little bit difficult than the English because it is totally different in the structure context. So, do not panic, do not worry. Slowly, slowly we will go with each and every section of the sentence formation. I hope each and every video is useful for you from this channel and will be useful for you in the future days. So if you are supporting our channel, do not forget to give like, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe it now. Hope to see you in next video very soon. Thank you. Namaste.